This is my new best friend to lighten up my camera bag. This sci-fi inspired hardware is the PhotoLlex BB Pro. Goodbye extra chargers and cables. This is not just a camera battery charger, it is an entire power system. Let me give you some context. Yep, that's me, out doing what I love doing best, spending time in the wilderness. While out in the wilderness, I need to pack light. So what does this have to do with the PhotoLlex BB Pro? Well, obviously when traveling on foot, you need to keep your pack weight down. Every ounce counts. In my backpack, I've eliminated a battery charger, a phone charger, a power brick, and the extra cables to charge the power brick. I've decluttered my backpack. The PhotoLlex BB Pro acts as a 100-watt power bank. Not only can I plug my phone in to charge it, I can also power my laptop. No extra cable required. The strap is actually a USB-C plug that can be used to power both devices and recharge the PhotoLlex BB Pro. Let's head out into the field. Out in the field, I need systems that work fast. I love how the batteries pop out for a quick and easy change. The magazine reload action holds your batteries in place until you release one. Then it locks the next battery in place and begins to recharge it. Fast, easy, convenient. The built-in USB-C cable is not your only charging point. On the opposite side is a 100-watt USB-C port for both charging the BB Pro and to power external devices. There's also an 18-watt USB-A port providing additional device power. The built-in 1.54-inch color screen shows you the charge on the internal battery. It also shows you the status of all the batteries being charged and the power going out of the 3 USB ports. You can also see the power coming in during charging. On the next screen, you can monitor the health of the built-in upgradable battery. Here you can see the voltage and cycle count. In the app, you can see the status of the batteries being charged. You can also get the status of the BB Pro while powering other devices and when it's plugged in getting a charge. You can also update the firmware of the BB Pro using your device. Scrolling down, you can get the health of the BB Pro's battery and the cell temperature. Knowing my battery temperature is important when working in the desert. 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit is the maximum discharge temperature recommended from PhotoLlex. This is kind of important to me when I'm out filming in the desert heat. For me as a YouTube content creator and traveler, I need to be smart about the equipment that I will bring with me. PhotoLlex specializes in photography power systems, but with the PhotoLlex BB Pro, they went way beyond my expectations. I've reduced the clutter of my bag, reduced weight, have continuously charging batteries that I can quickly get to without having to search for them, and it keeps all of my devices charged all day long. Let's just say it, the BB Pro also looks great on your desk. I can tell that the BB Pro and I will be working together for years to come.